Hi, this is Marky again from PH Books and More. Welcome back to the channel. I am back to bring you another bookish video. So, hello sa inyong lahat. Today, or in this video, sisimulan na natin ang part 12 ng aking bookshelf tour. For this one, puro books ulit yung nakikita ninyo. But these books are actually from one publisher, I think. Sure naman ako most of them are from one publisher. But baka may mga nahalong isa or dalawa from different publishers. So, let me show you my book collection from Anvil Publishing. So, start na natin ang part 12 ng Bookshelf Tour. The first one I have is, sabihin natin duology or two books in a series. We have Quen Taxi by Wanna Change, May Paner or Wanna Change, and then the other one, Quen Taxi Book 2. Itong Quen Taxi Book 2, si Sir Manix yung gumawa ng cover. May mga illustrations din siya sa loob. Yan. So, si Sir Manix din yung nag-drawing. Ayan, there. Okay. Next, we have these books from Merlinda Bobis. So, I have four of them here. First one is Banana Heart Summer. Here. Okay. And then I have In the Name of the Trees. I also have The Kindness of Birds. And The Solemn Lantern Maker. Here. So, all four of these are by Merlinda Bobis. So, let's continue. The next ones, medyo halo-halo na to. Okay. Some of these books, nabili ko ng bargain price kasi si Anvil, pamigay din talaga pagdating sa sales. May mga books sila that you can buy for like 20 pesos. May iba 50 pesos. And then yung iba naman, big discounts talaga. So, if you're planning to read more Filipino books, Filipino materials, go to ang Anvil because nagbibigay talaga sila ng discount. So, very affordable yung mga books nila, especially during sales. So, let's go ahead and start. Or not start, but continue. We have in here si Darna, ang mahal na birhen ng Peña Francia at si Pepsi Paloma. This is by Rolando B. Tolentino. Yeah. I also have Iska, si Iska at ang Nawawalang Kampana by Kim Derla. Yan. I attended the book talk for this one last November and sobrang saya nun kahit na konti lang kami. May bagyo kasing parating. Pero that was a fun discussion. Then I have this one, Tingle, Anthology of Pinay Lesbian Writing. Yes. Okay. And then you have Manananggal Terrorizes Manila and Other Stories by Jessica Zafra. Marami na akong nakita mga libro ni Miss Jessica sa National Bookstore, especially nung high school ako. Yung Twisted series niya, gustong-gusto kong kompletuhin yun. Pero nau-OC kasi ako dahil bungi-bungi yung nakikita ko online. So parang wala bang kompleto. Pero yeah, sa ano ko naman yun, problema ko yun, a main problem. Kasi nga, nau-OC ako na hindi siya kompleto. But I really want to read her work. So sana, makakahanap ako ng kompletong set o kaya naman mag-release si Miss Jessica at ang Anvil. Fingers crossed. Okay, let's continue. The next one I have, another anthology. We have Querida. This is edited by Carolyn S. Howe, Katrina Tuvera, and Isabelita O. Reyes. Querida. Next, A Treat of 100 Short Stories, edited by Gerardo Z. Torres. Ito yata yung nabili ko ng 20 pesos, kung di ako nagkakamali. Yes. Tingnan nyo. 20 pesos. Ayan. So, again, I started enjoying short stories. So, having one book with 100 short stories, parang deserve ko naman na bilhin to. Okay, let's continue. The last one from this pile, we have Tiking. Essays on Philippine Food and Culture by Doreen G. Fernandez. Gusto kong basahin to kasi about food siya and napaka-interesting ng stories about food eh. So, sana mabasa ko soon. Okay, let's go to the next pile. Speaking of short stories, pumunta ako ng Solidaridad I think a few months ago and nakita ko tong dalawang to and decided na okay, these are shorts, these are short stories, kailangan ko siyang bilhin. So we have Maximum Volume, out of focus, wait lang. Okay. Maximum Volume, Best New Philippine Fiction 2014. So this is edited by Dean Francis Alfar and Angelo R. La Cuesta. Here. So that's I think this is volume 1 because I also have volume 2. Ayan. Maximum Volume, same edited by Dean Francis Alfar and Angelo R. La Cuesta. There. So another short stories collection for me to enjoy. Hopefully soon. Okay. Now, let's move on to, I think ito yung goal ko talaga this year. When 2025 came, actually 2024 pa lang, gusto ko nang makumpleto yung isang series na sinusulat ng author na ito. Dapat, bibilan ko yung box set. I think it was 2022 or 2023. So, box set siya with, if I remember correctly, parang 15 books. Hindi ko nabili kasi wala na akong pera that time. So, as part of my frustrations, pinromise ko na in 2024 or in 2025, mabibili ko na yung libro niya. Bala ko nun isa-isa. Isa-isa kong bibili yung nasa set. Pero nag-release si Anvil ng dalawang box set, 8 books each, na binili ko kaagad. Kasi nga, ayoko nang ma-left out. Fear of being left out, di ba? So, binili ko yon during one of his talks sa Manila and I will show them to you in a few bits. But let me first start with sabihin natin standalones. So the first one I have is Meaning and History, the Rizal Lectures. This is of course by Professor Ambet Ocampo. So yes. And then I have Cabinets of Curiosities. Also by Sir Ambet. There. And then, eto na yung box set. Eto yung dalawang lalagyan. Alam mo, dapat ilagay ko siya dito para makita nyo. So, just a second. So, ayan. Ay, hindi makita. Anyway, ayan. So, dalawa yan. Ayan. So, binili ko tong box set na to upon release. As in, pumunta pa ako dun sa San Agustin Museum para lang bilhin sila. So, yan. Dalawa yan. Again, boxes of 8 books in each box. So, pakita ko sa inyo isa-isa para lang din happy tayo. So, we have Looking Back. Ayan. That's Looking Back 1. Dirty Dancing, Looking Back 2. That by Garote, Looking Back 3. Chulalongkorn's Elephants, Looking Back 4. Rizal's Teeth, Bonifacius Bones, Looking Back 5. Looking Back 6, Prehistoric Philippines. Storm Chasers, Looking Back 7. Virgin of Balintawak, Looking Back 8. So that's the first box set. Moving on to second box set, we have Demonyo Tables, looking back 9. Two Lunas, Two Mabinis, looking back 10. Independence times 6, looking back 11. Quezon's Sukiyaki, looking back 12. Looking back 13, Guns of the Katipunan. And then looking back 14, Dirty Ice Cream. Looking back 15, Martial Law. Looking back 16, Queridas de Rizal. So, yun yung part ng dalawang box set. Pero may 17 na. Hindi lang siya kasama sa box set. So, looking back 17, History and Lockdown. There. So, those are all my Ambet Ocampo books. Fun fact, ilang beses kong na-meet si Sir Ambet this year kasi nagpapirma ako ng Looking Back, ng collection ko ng Looking Back. So far, 16 out of 17 yung napapirma ko na. So, sana lang, yung Looking Back 17 na lang, and then the 2 standalone. So, fingers crossed, magawa natin siya in 2026. Okay, now finally, we go to the last pile of books that I have. Meron pa ditong, I think, 3 pang authors. So, let's take a look at them. Babalik ko na tong stand. Ayan. So, just give me a second. Let me grab them. Okay, let's start with this one. These are books by Jose Butch Dalisay. So, we have Soledad's Sister. I also have Killing Time in a Warm Place. And a collection. So, we have Voyager and Other Fictions. Yes. These 3 books are also signed. So, awesome. Okay. Next, we have another author. I read one of his books this year. Parang last, November. Last month lang. So, I read one of his books and I'm just happy na binasa ko siya kasi it has been in my TBR for the longest time. So, finally, nabasa ko na siya last November. So, we have Kenneth Hughes, The Greatest Fight of Sonny Granada and Other Stories. I have a reaction video to this one. Kung may time kayo, please check it. Yan. And then, meron din ako nitong isa pang collection ni Sir Kenneth. So, we have Mouths to Speak, Voices to Sing. And both copies, again, signed copies. Thank you, Sir Kenneth. Next one, we have one book, pero umaasa ako na ma-release na yung re-release ng isa niyang libro. So we have Head by the Ceiling. This is by Anthony Shie. Yan, there. I also have a reaction video to this book. So if you have the time, again, pa-check na lang sa channel. There. Okay, and last one, the queen of horror herself. We have Yvette Tan's books. So the first one we have is Waking the Dead and Other Stories. There. Another one, Sikye Horror and Other Stories. And then the third book, Insect Hag and Other Stories. Again, meron akong reaction videos nito. So, pakicheck nyo na lang sa aking channel if you're interested. Now, I also bought a book from Miss Yvette. Kung di ako nagkakamali, this is a self-published book. Or kung hindi man self-published, it's independent. So, we have Kaba 50. Or Kaba 50, maikling kwento ng kababalaghan at katakutan. Yes. Babasahin ko dapat to during Halloween, kaso ewan ko ba, napaka-busy ko ng time na yun, so hindi ko nagawa. But yeah, Kaba 50. Okay, so those are all my books inside this particular plastic box. Again, pansin nyo naman, puro Anvil books yun nandito. So, I'm a big supporter of Anvil, sabihin na natin. hopefully, mabasa ko na rin yung iba in the near future. Pero, fairness, nakapagbasa tayo ng ah, 5 from this box. So, achievement pa rin naman yun. So, we'll continue my bookshelf tour in the following videos pa. Just a couple more, and we are finally complete with the series. Thank you so much for spending your few minutes with me. I'll be back with part 13 of the bookshelf tour. Stay tuned for that one. This is Marking again from PH Books and More. See you in the next video. Bye!